The installation of the switch body may have slight tolerances. After installation tolerance compensation. The magnetic flux of the new switch. The magnetic flux would decrease after long-term use. After automatic calibration, the Hall chip's magnetic sensitivity improves, allowing for better sensing of the reduced magnetic flux. Over time, the positioning plate begins to warp slightly, and the gap between the switch body and the PCB becomes uneven. After automatic calibration is initiated,